Barney.
And
Hey Barney.
Dad. And today we're at Moat Marine Aquarium. And this is where you can like see like dolphins and animals and things like that. Even
Dolphins, manatees. They have stingrays, I think. They have a bunch of stuff.
I love stingrays.
So we want to thank you guys so much for 200,000 subscribers that we reached last night. It's a huge milestone for us. Thank you guys so much. We appreciate and love all of you. So we are doing a 200K subscriber special at Moat Marine Laboratory and Aquarium. We are on, what is this island? Longboat Key Island. And we are staying on Anna Maria Island. We're still on vacation. So we are going to be doing a vlog, vacation vlog for you guys. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Are you excited, Bernie? Nina, are you excited? Wow.
We're in the main aquarium. Oh my god, there's baby fish in there. Tiny baby. Look.
Bernie, look at the shark. Do you see it?
It's so big and angry looking.
You can actually see.
Are you dancing? Bernie, it looks like Nemo.
This is big nana.
He's going into his anemone. Anemone.
You can even see him right here. There's Dory. Dory and Nemo. There's an octopus. A real life octopus, guys. Guys, it's a seahorse. Look.
Hold him slide.
Nina, look at the seahorse. Do you see the seahorse, Nina? Pinchy crab. Oh, it's a pinchy crab. Nina, look at the pinchy crab. Look at the jellyfish.
Wait. Oh my gosh, jellyfish.
Look how many jellyfish. Wow, there's so many. You want to go back there?
Should we keep walking, see what else there is?
You guys want to get your picture taken? You want to get your picture?
Can we get a picture here, Alayah? Can we get a picture with them?
Yeah. This squid is 27 foot long. It's a giant squid. So it's not alive, it's preserved. Wow, look at that. So big.
We're finding out the age of the seafood. 20 million years. As Find some 280 million year areas. Look at him grow up, making it big. He's doing all this on his own. Oh, I saw some purple. There's some purple. Oh, made it too big. Right here. That is 280, and now it's gone.
280 million years old.
That's where the purple area is.
That's really cool. It says, future of our coral reefs. Nina, look at the fishies right here. Look. Guys, shark zone. Da, 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 da. Bernie, do you want to see sharks? Yeah? We're gonna go see some real sharks. Nina, do you want to see a shark? Yeah, look, that's what we're gonna see. You guys are gonna see a real shark. Some sharks already, guys. Shark tracker. That's the size of them. So this one's newborn to 1 year. That's a female. 1 to 2 years, a male. So that's how much bigger a male is than a female, guys. Look at the size difference. That's a shark's mouth.
Yeah, that's its jawbone.
From a great white shark. You guys see the real sharks? Nina, do you want to see the real sharks? Come here. Look. There they are. Bernie, that's a real shark.
For whatever reason, they could be with the shark.
Yeah, that's what people were talking about, saying they're just like, in the ocean, people were saying they're just like...
A shark.
Just like those sharks, just like hammerhead sharks.
Oh, okay. So the bonnet heads are just like hammerhead.
Yeah.
So, okay, so that's a bonnet head. I see. And then what are the other ones? Are shark tracker?
This is where we are right now, guys. Gulf of Mexico.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, wow.
Photo booth. Oh, it's out of order. It's not gonna work, guys. Let's go see some more sharks. The great hammerhead. Look at this one. Look at it.
Stingray?
Nina, look. Someone's in there. Do you see him? He's cleaning. You see her over there too?
Yeah, there's so many.
I know.
Yeah.
2-finger touch only, please.
But there's one
So guys, they're allowed to touch the stingrays.
I've had a stingray before when I was with Grandma.
Did you?
Yeah.
Cown nose ray, an Atlantic stingray, and yellow stingray. Alayah's trying. Yay!
That feels weird. That feels so weird. It feels strange.
Did you touch the stingray? The other part of the aquarium, the hospital for dolphins in Wales at Moat Marine Laboratory. Okay, so we're gonna see sea turtles too?
Yep, right here.
Sea turtles are reptiles. Look, here he is.
Look at the big turtle, Nina. Up top, look up high.
Look up here.
Right there.
It's a big turtle. Leatherback turtle.
Those are my favorite type of turtles.
Yeah,
And they are endangered. Said that's a jellyfish.
oh, you're so smart.
More sea turtles.
Wow, look at that, huh?
Look how big they are.
Sea turtles fight, do not touch.
Is that what it says? So these are the manatees. It says meet the manatees and meet the turtle. Look at the turtle. Look how big.
Oh my gosh, you just closed its eyes.
He's tired. So sea turtles get trapped in these guys and they have to find their way out.
They said they get trapped with hundreds and thousands of fish.
Nina's trapped? Oh no.
You're swimming along when whoosh, a huge net engulfed you. Hundreds of fish are captured too. Can you escape? Make your way through the net to sea.
Okay guys.
I'm going.
Can you escape? Can Maya escape?
Yes.
That's the real question. Nina, do you want to try?
Want to come in this end? Down here?
See if you can escape.
You're a sea turtle.
Alayah too.
Trying to escape the fishing net you got caught.
Everyone escape.
Look at Nina again.
I know, she loves it. He said, I'm trapped, Nina.
I want to go in. I want to do a party. No boys.
Party in the trap. Measure up to a manatee. So this is the size of, I guess, a full-grown manatee.
An average adult manatee is 10 foot and it's 1,200 pounds.
Wow.
The average calf, or a baby manatee, is 4 foot tall and 66 pounds.
And then the baby,
Yeah, that's the calf.
the babies are called calves.
Yeah, just like cows.
Wow.
Yeah, just like cows. Well, they call them the sea
That's
cow.
so big.
That's crazy. So, and they have cows.
So let's see where you guys measure.
See how she's measured up.
A little bigger than a calf.
Yeah.
What about Maya?
Mine's like half the size of an adult.
Yes. Maya's tall.
Turn around, look at mommy.
You're
short?
almost 3 foot with your little, oh, where did your hair tie go and your bow? And he is a little taller than 3 foot.
You're almost as big as a baby.
You're almost as big as a calf. Baby manatee. Happy found Nina's hair tie and bow on the net. It was stuck in like one of the little squares. You want to see crocodiles? I see sea otters. Come here, give me your hand. Let's go see them. Look how cute they are. Look! Oh my goodness!
Wow, sea otter.
Look how cute they are. They're so cute.
Their little paws and feet. Look at her. Wide though.
Look at the alligator. Say cheese. Go see crocodiles. Let's go. Bernie's favorite. Yeah, your favorite. Yeah. Found it under the tree. Oh, there it is. It's staying nice and cool. So this one's an American alligator. Look at him. Oh, from above water.
Yeah.
He's peeking out of the water. Do you see him?
Sunbathing, feet all out. Yeah, right.
They're so amazing.
Say hey guys. So we wanted to thank BANGGOOD for sending us these huge squishies. This orange and that watermelon. And they are the biggest squishies that we've ever seen, the biggest ones in our collection. And we wanted to thank BANGGOOD. They're super soft and slow rising. Squishy stuff. So we're going to be taking them out of the package and showing you them.
These are soft. They're really soft.
I'll say it's soft. And say it's slow rising. Say I like it. A lot. A lot. Is it soft? Do you like it? 10 out of 10? Me too.
I'd give this a 100 out of 1.
This part's like really soft, like the front part. It's very textured. Has a nice texture. It feels like a real orange. If you feel it, like it has like good details, like the little dots, and that's how a real orange looks.
Like that.
And then this part looks like a real orange as well. It has the same texture. You need to squish it. Oh, do you like it? Mm-hmm.
This one is also very textured, smooth, textured, and smells like banana bread to me. It smells good. It smells like pineapple bread.
That's weird, but it smells like that.
And then it's super smooth, and then on this side it's also very textured. And then there's little seeds and little spaces where people took the seeds out.
People took the seeds out. It has good, like, the colors. It actually looks like a real watermelon, how they have two different greens.
And they blended it together.
Yeah, and they have like the stem right there. So I really like that.
It looks like a pigtail.
A pigtail.
Super slow rising.
Whoa. I just wish that part. Oh my god.
Looks like a brain.
So slow rising.
A green zombie brain.
Do you like it? Say, okay guys.